Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. SwiftUI Text app inside today we need to file uploads API globals API we need to develop this. We need to write down here the go. First of all the service called class inside go, and to create here the class functions and to directly this here this functions. First of all we need to give this here. We need to copy these functions here. Not copy, need to write class functions. Need to give this here multipart and to last here the tokens API. That here the book at this and after we need to write here the success blocks. This we need to one more thing, but into configurations here the MSD as dictionary question mark like this at here. Like this we need to configurations here and to create here the open brackets and to write down here. First of all we need to copy this here these lines and to paste this here, create here the dispatch queue and user interactive. And then after now we need to write down here the boundary and to the boundary, because we need to multi-parts inside the our boundary, not calling here pass here. I have already set this boundary is here all these years like this sets here this boundary, and every text need to write as a boundary. Now we need to define here the headers and to here the headers. Now in type form data and make sure this any issue. Now we need to press here the and after we need to see the page controls here. Write down token API. Then we need to pass this pass this here. Is equal and like this at here. And now need to create here the mutable date. At first is now need to NSU. Set here string and here the path metal times and set here cache policy. What's on cache policy? Timeouts intervals need to set here 500 like this here. Now need to set here request methods. HTTP methods need to write down post method request dot and need to fields and to set this here header. That's body and to like this at here and now need to here loop. Once need to pass this key. Now in methods need to pass this need to here. One more thing we need to write down here extensions method for the data. Write down here and function here functions and to then after functions here the first of all need to write down here and then after here data science here now need to package here. Now need to write down here the body open string and we need to write down here and to this we need to write tree then after here the open and then dispositions key Then after and again select here the string here new line, and then after here that's here like this. That's here. Now we need that's here file names equal to here each types of extensions we need, and afterwards we need to write down here types sets. Now need to write down as in types we need to here like this. Now need to ends here, need to copy here just this. Now need to key name as well as need to pass this here says like this here, and afterwards need to content types we need lines. Now need to content types we need here that's here this. Now we need all this here the end we need the third page. That's here the here's like this here. Now this append body and we to again so need to write down here the body and append this end of boundary here here. Like this we need to configurations are the needed, and now need to pass this here the request body body inside. That now let's data string equal to this here string, and we need row value. This sets here. Now need to print this here, this value, print it. Data string. This. Now we need to here. Value. Now let's need to write down here the dot here. Then afterwards need that data tags need dot data else need to change handlers to, and afterwards need to set here and to sears in, and this, and next video inside need all here the profiles uploads here inside the servers. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification icon and get every new video notifications. And if you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.